Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Friday, February 3rd, 2023. Jeremy Crosby here. Hope you're having a great day. Glad you're tuned with us for your TF headlines. Let's jump into it with the weather. It's cold. It's been cold, but the good news is this is it for our cold temperatures today. If you get through today, the forecast looking a lot better. Let's take a look at that forecast. Wind chill advisory remains in effect through this morning anyways. Temperatures will improve this weekend though, with the next week highs in the 30s to 40s, 40. Breezy southerly winds are expected both Saturday and Monday with 30-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Monday will have a chance of rain during the evening into Monday night before dry conditions return for Tuesday. But yes, if you can get through today, tomorrow we'll bump up into the highs in the 30s to 35 and lows in the 20s. So quite a bit of a difference there. Usually we're on the wrong end of those temperatures, but this time we're turning the corner here. So we'll see where that takes us here the month of February. Looking ahead, because that's what I like to do in the weather. Looks like above average temperatures are here for a while. So we'll take it for what it's worth. Other news, Stoner Prairie Parks Master Plan open house and public meeting will be happening next week. City of Fitchburg Stoner Prairie Park Master Plan is set forth the general park layout, allowing for opportunity for implementation as budget dollars are available. Specific details of each area of the park layout will be determined as the implementation of this plan is undertaken. A presentation and other feedback opportunities are scheduled for 7:00 p.m. on February 8th. That will be here at City Hall in the Francis Hutley Cooper Council Chambers, 5520 Lacey Road. You're also welcome to comment online. Just send email to Scott Endel there at fitchburgwi.gov. Valentine's disco party coming to the Fitchburg Senior Center as they continue their dance party fun. This Valentine's disco party, DJ Melissa is back. She'll be rocking your socks for their disco party on Wednesday, February 8th from 12:30 to 1:30 p.m. No reservations. Just stop on by, bring that sweetheart if you like. And if you're interested in lunch for that day, please call 608-270-4290 day before 9 a.m. Fitchburg Family Pharmacy has drop-in medication reviews again this month through the Senior Center. Do you have questions about medication side effects, generic alternatives, possible negative medication interactions? If you can relate to any of the above or have concerns, questions, stop by our new drop-in visits with the pharmacist from Fitchburg Family Pharmacy on Thursday, February 16th, 10 to 11 a.m. Extra Foodshare benefits will be ending this month of February. Reminder, the federal government is ending the program that provides extra Foodshare benefits due to COVID-19. February is the last month, and starting in March, families will continue to get their regular benefit. If you need food help, you can contact or call 211 or 877-947-2111 to find local resources. And you can check into with the Department of Health Services Wisconsin. They have information on there as well. And to access your benefits, you can go to access.wi.gov to check out and see what those benefits are and moving forward what they will be. And finally, turning our attention to Department of Ag, Trade, Consumer Protection, top 10 complaints for 2022. We'll jump through this pretty quickly, but number one again, landlord and tenant issues. That number one complaint filed in Department of Ag, Trade, Consumer Protection in 2022 with 1,912 complaints or disputes between landlords and tenants. Telemarketing from the Department of Ag, Trade, Consumer Protection received 1,651 complaints. Home improvement concerns accounted for 1,216 complaints. Telecommunications, Department of Ag, Trade, Consumer Protection received 655 complaints regarding telecommunications. Excuse me, which you'd think would be a little bit more. Identity theft at the top 5 with 513 complaints of identity theft, which received a third of the complaints that are received in the preceding year. So interesting enough there. Medical services complaints. Services increased 60% with consumers filing 440 complaints in 2022. And we'll finish out the top 10 by going to the Department of Ag, Trade, Consumer's website for more information.